Since our inception in 2012, we have successfully restored and maintained about 20 million square foot carpeted areas. Ever notice your carpets are dirty? All you gotta do is call us. We at Enviro Group Asia are not your ordinary carpet cleaners. Number 1, all our team members are trained according to prescribed methods from the US. Number 2, all our equipment we use are state-of-the-art technology and proven. Number 3, we use specially formulated cleaning solutions that is designed to provide best of results without harming you or the environment. Some of our prestigious clients include Shell, Schlumberger, Public Mutual and many more. So if you require our assistance, do give us a call right now.